everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today with my camels. Draw the body and the M and the neck and the face and the ears and the hair and the nose and the mouth and the eyes and the tail and the legs You can make the sun and the desert and the cactus. Draw the sun. And the desert full of sand and some cactus. And another cactus, a baby one, and some spikes. Draw the cactus green. Make sure do not see white in your paper. Make sure you subscribe my channel. The camel brown or yellow? Sweet. Color the shoes and the hair and the humps brown. It's finished. Look, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.